What's up, my broskies? Today we're playing Build a Boat. Build a Boat. Build a Boat. Okay, today we're going to do something silly. I'm trying to make it to
To
the
watch
end.
more sub.
So don't worry. Next video, we are going to go back to our blocks proofing. So be sure to watch out for that. Also, happy Mother's Day. Yeah, this is my contraption here. Super smart, super secret, super cool. And now I'm gonna add it like these.
Bro, using poles. Or meant to use not poles.
Good.
Also, my name is Jason in the
now
narrative.
I need to grab a pilot seat. It's super easy to use parachute. Two seconds, that's good, right?
Bike!
Okay, so this is the system. I'm gonna save this. Don't mind these save slot names.
Dear Dad, please stop walking into my room while I'm filming.
Okay, I hooked it up. I press E. Okay, now we attach the magnet. Okay. So it should start generally at the same time. Okay, my pieces look good. It's not. This is my welcome to contraption.com. So I can use make them invisible, easy, simple. Okay. Now I can save this. Yep, okay. Let's try this now. So now all I have to put is E or something. I don't know how to activate this. Oh shoot. It's not going. Go! Hello, my name is Okay, watch. Kind of like that now. You never saw that. You will, and you'll never will see that yet. Super secret travels. Okay. It's be a short video because I have to go a little bit somewhere, so we're gonna come on. This is just a fun video I'm gonna make. Eventually, I will make a longer video, but right now I'm gonna try and keep this simple. It's good. I'm gonna save this. Let's see this will work. I think we just had a little bit of technical difficulties. And we still are. Let's make it to the end. It's not working. Why is it not working? Interesting. Hold up. Oh. Okay. I think that we need a bigger ride. So I think it has to be stiffly attached. Use a metal on this thing. That's good. Okay. And I also want to wind up some things real quick. Like, I need to make this E. And then for this, how do you wire? Oh, God. Okay. Why is it two seams? Stop connecting! And why is this connecting? Okay. So now I can like this. Reason not connecting. Okay. So I'm just gonna get rid of that timer and okay, I'll make this R for parachute. Okay. Perfect. Now I think this should be good. Okay, it doesn't work. I'm really sad. Okay, it's not working. Okay, wait, I have one idea, and that's like to make the magnet bigger. Remove them. Or maybe I could just there we go, okay. I think one problem is how small we need this thing to be. Big, thick boy. Okay, that's good, right? Now it's like a middle tree. Okay, now I'm gonna slap it beside my head, because that's necessary. And then, and that, okay, let's see if this will work, I think, hopefully. It's the stupidest looking, thing I've ever built, but this guy. Let's go! Oh, it's working, I told you! Just give it a second. We're going on a trip. Oh no, I don't want to get copyrighted. Now we're going in the void. Great. Go up! Pull up! Okay, it works. Now we know it works, but I might need to change this angle in it. I think we have to go backwards, I think. Save it, that would have been bad. Oh my god, look how long that could be. Okay, let's finish this up. I gotta finish this up real quick. First of all, change this angle limit to not max rotation, and 2 will be good. Okay, so I'll make this parachute even bigger. This is all the parachutes I have. Literally all I can squeeze in. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh wait, also, no, wait, oh shoot, okay, wait. Okay, I realized I need to flip the whole thing over, because I think, shoot, now I'm stuck. So this, and then, this, okay. Perfect, this is our, one of the weirdest, most VR looking setup ever. I swear this will work. Zooming through the sky. Okay, we have to activate the parachute. Activate it. It's our emergency parachute, but I guess we can. It's kind of an emergency right now. I'm shoving my face in the magnet, and this thing is going in the opposite direction I want. I'm lodged in the sea. Oh no! Wait, I can land on it, right? Oh, there it goes. Now it's freaking out in the void. There we go. Okay, we have 500 meters. Like, that was terrible. Okay. Okay. The thing we need to do is change this angle limit. Woo, change angle limit. Wait, I haven't used these ever. What is it? I don't know if these even existed. Now we decorate our boat a little bit. We'll add a little star here because everyone knows this star SS or something. I don't know. Let's do it. Okay. We're gonna make it orange because obviously Go. Skills. Okay, that's good, right? Shove my face into it. Great. And I'm gonna have to get this to 0. Also, I'm gonna change my. This is imperfectly fine. We're zooming through the sky. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's just going in the most awkward directions ever. Everyone says brick's the best material. I don't believe that. And not in. What is? Oh, my magnet's gone. Oh, I don't know why I need this, but it's helpful. I swear. What is incarnation? We need more security on the magnet or something. I don't know what. Okay, we'll do one last test one, and then I'm gonna continue the video. So okay, we'll do one more test run just because we need more security. I don't know. Okay, so we have the US. I forgot to save all of that. Oh shoot. Wait. Okay, first angle in it. It's still 2. I'm just gonna do 0. Save to 0, please. Transportation on it is. Okay. Now, I need more magnetism. Magnetism, yeah. Did I say that right? I don't care. Yeah, perfect. No one will ever notice this thing ever existing. Perfect. Okay, well, now I have to wire everything well. Okay. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's the final test run. Okay, turn on parachute. Why so I'm gonna get more magnetism. Yep, that's how it works. Okay, well, this is just not working. I don't know what just happened there. I got my mouse. Well, let's do one more because that was just because I feel like it. Because I'm feeling special. Yeah, I need like some way of transporting the rest. I have 1 kidney, so I'm trying to. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna rotate this whole thing. It's facing the other way, and that's making it super hard. Okay, well, now I'm stuck. Save it. Okay, let's do this. Zooming through the sky. I can actually fly. But I'm snapping. Like it's like snapping. Emergency parachute. Okay, emergency parachute is not working. I don't know what's going on. Do I have to be sideways or something? Like, if I'm sideways, it seems like I keep tilting sideways. You have to remagnet. We're making it. Deactivate magnet. I don't think this magnetism is working. The magnetism! Pull up parachute. Have to turn it back on. We have to turn it back on. Magnetism. We're flying the opposite direction that we want to. Ain't good enough. Let's see what we get. 46 gold! Yeah! Bye.